So this is a reading for myself and for others who are also going to take real estate broker licensure exam. This is my first time to read this file, so hopefully I can replay it for my own benefit. Republic of the Philippines, Congress of the Philippines, Metro Manila, 14th Congress, Second Regular Session. Begun and held in Metro Manila on Monday, the 28th day of July 2008. Republic Act 9646. An act regulating the practice of real estate service in the Philippines, creating for the purpose a professional regulatory board of real estate service, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes. Be it enacted by the Senate and House of Representatives of the Philippines in Congress assembled. Article 1. Title, Declaration of Policy and Definition of Terms. Section 1. Title. This act shall be known as the Real Estate Service Act of the Philippines. Section 2. Declaration of Policy. The state recognizes the vital role of real estate service practitioners in the social, political, economic development and progress of the country by promoting the real estate market, stimulating economic activity, and enhancing government income from real property-based transactions. Hence, it shall develop and nurture through proper and effective regulation and supervision a corps of technically competent, responsible, and respected professional real estate service practitioners whose standards of practice and service shall be globally competitive and will promote the growth of the real estate industry. Section 3. Definition of terms. As used in this act, the following terms shall mean: A. Appraiser, also known as valuer, refers to a person who conducts valuation, appraisal, specifically one who possesses the necessary qualifications, license, ability, and experience to execute or direct the valuation, appraisal of real property. B. Assessor refers to an official in the local government unit who performs appraisal and assessment of real properties, including plants, equipment, and machineries, essentially for taxation purposes. This definition also includes assistant assessors. C. Real estate refers to the land and all those items which are attached to the land. It is the physical, tangible entity together with all the additions or improvements on, above, or below the ground. D. Real estate development project means the development of land for residential, commercial, industrial, agricultural, institutional, or recreational purposes, or any combination of such, including but not limited to tourist resorts, reclamation projects, building or housing projects, whether for individual or condominium ownership, memorial parks, and others of similar nature. E. Real estate developer refers to any natural or juridical person engaged in the business of developing real estate development project for his, her, or its own account and offering them for sale or lease. Real property includes all the rights, interests, and benefits related to the ownership of real estate. Real estate service practitioners shall refer to and consist of the following. Number 1. Real estate consultant, a duly registered and licensed natural person who, for a professional fee, compensation, or other valuable consideration, offers or renders professional advice and judgment on 1. The acquisition, enhancement, preservation, utilization, or disposition of lands or improvements thereon. And 2. The conception, planning, management, and development of real estate projects. 2. Real estate appraiser. A duly registered and licensed natural person who, for a professional fee, compensation, or other valuable consideration, performs or renders or offers to perform services in estimating and arriving at an opinion of or acts as an expert on real estate values, such services of which shall be finally rendered by the preparation of the report in acceptable written form. Real estate assessor. A duly registered and licensed natural person who works in a local government unit and performs appraisal and assessment of real properties, including plants, equipment, and machineries, essentially for taxation purposes. Real estate broker, a duly registered and licensed natural person who, for a professional fee, commission, or other valuable consideration, acts as an agent of a party in a real estate transaction to offer, advertise, solicit, list, promote, mediate, negotiate, or effect the meeting of the minds on the sale, purchase, exchange, mortgage, lease, or joint venture, or other similar transactions on real estate or any interest therein. 5. Real estate salesperson, a duly accredited natural person who performs service for and in behalf of a real estate broker who is registered and licensed by the Professional Regulatory Board of Real Estate Service for or in expectation of a share in the commission, professional fee, compensation, or other valuable consideration.